Yes, students, today I will be showing you directly in the practical. Okay, and you can see this is the desktop over here, and how I open the Bluej. I go over here and I find the icon over here. I double click it. The icon, if I double click the icon, your Bluej opens. Now when the Bluej opens, that is the editor, you find I have already made the project and the class name is stack over here. I open my particular program file to show you what has been done. Now see, public class stack, this is a class, you can see very well, and this class starts here and the class ends over here. And you see it's the integer max size we have made. All the variables have been declared at first. So these are the declarations of the variables. Then you have the over here the stack, where you can create the particular structure of the stack by taking an input, how many or what is the size of the particular stack. So that text is S is over here in the right hand side, so it takes the value inside max size, that is a maximum size, and initialization top as -1 has been made over here. Now if I go in for the push operation, then push, what element I am pushing will be from here, and as I already told in my previous class, incrementation of the plus top, that increments, and the value enters the stack because it is a push operation. Now in the pop operation, you know very well pop operation means that you are taking out the element. So there, if you take out the element, that top becomes minus, okay, and it attains the previous the top value. Okay, now there is another one I have introduced over here, that is a peak, which will tell you the value at the top level. And there is another function I have made, that is empty or not. Okay, and here see returns top is equal to -1. Okay, now see boolean is full is also I have made over here, which returns, okay, if it is full. So now over here it is a logical operator, boolean are the logical operators, so it will return false or true, you know very well. So now go over here and first compile your program. So I compile over here the program. Once I compile, you can find out, you find that the compilation is over, and you always see that after the compilation is complete, you close this one and you can run the program by right clicking on it and click on the new stack int. Over here int is the size of the integer, so you can put down the size of the integer. For instance, you make the size as 5, so that means the structure is made, and now you are able to enter the data. So once you enter the data, you go to the push operation over here and click on it. So if you enter the data as suppose 54, so this data has been entered as 54. Now if you go over here and right click, you find the peak is here, so it attains the value of the peak, so that will be displayed. Obviously that it's displayed, see 54 is displayed. Now see why I have shown this one, because if I put one more element inside it, that I'll do, then peak will be taking the value of that one. See, I'm again doing it, I am using the push operation and I am putting suppose 44. Now I give OK, so push operation takes in the value and puts it in the stack. Now I go and just go to the peak operation, PEK. So see 44 has been taken, so the topmost value has been taken. Now I have shown you this So all the maximum size is 5, see, okay, and the private in top is 1, okay, because 0 1 is on the topmost level. So this is a particular scenario taken in the memory. Now I close this. Now I go over here and slowly what I do is that, so I know it is not empty, so I use this boolean is empty. So since I have entered the values, it will not be empty. So let's see, let's click on it. See, empty? No, false. That means it is not empty. Clear? Now if I go and tell boolean is full, so it is not full because 5 elements can be entered, so it's full. See, false. So it's not full. Okay, close it. So I have shown that. What I have shown? Boolean empty I have shown, boolean is full I have shown. Okay, so 2 things already shown. Pick I already shown you, and now pop operation I have not shown. Push I have shown. So whenever I want to pop up something, it will take the topmost value. So let us try. So let us see first what is the value at the peak position. So I click here. So peak you have 44, right? I close it. Now I come over here and now I want to pop. So pop. So once I do the pop, so it's taking this 44, okay, and I give close. So now if I go and find out the peak, okay, so see 44 is not shown, 54 is shown. That means that particular value has been taken out. So this shows the total from here. What I have shown you, just see, just make a check of it. I have shown you in one program how to create the particular structure, the push operation, the pop operation, the peak operation, is empty, yes, is full. All these operations I have shown you. So thank you everyone. I hope you have understood. Okay, thanks.